Welcome, Fruit and Sport subscribers. I've got a little workout for you today which covers three bases: cardio, resistance training, and stretching. So I'll give you a little glimpse of each of the exercises that I do. And the sled, I did 100 yards backwards, 100 yards forward. On the stretches, I did 3 sets of 1 minute per set. 3 sets, and of course you're doing both sides. I did calf stretch, couch stretch, which is the quads and the hip flexor, hamstring stretch, and also pancake, which stretches the groin. So those are my stretches. My resistance training or trap 3 raises, which are good for the back, the upper back, mid back, and lower back. Powell raises, which are good for the back of the shoulder. External rotation, also good for the shoulder joint itself. And QL extensions, quadratus lumborum, that muscle close to your spine on the side. And you need that in tennis when you're twisting and turning. So that's an excellent exercise. On those, again, I'm doing 3 sets, 10 reps per set, and doing both sides, of course. So that's the workout. I'll show you a little glimpse of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I just wanted to mention that, you know, for those of you that are looking for longevity, functionality as you grow older, you know, you've got to eat clean in order to have the energy to exercise. I'm going on 76. I'll be 76 in December. And I know for me, I've been through the roughest year of my life with shingles. And I still have some neuralgia from it, but I'm healing up nicely. So I just wanted to mention that what is it that enables me to go through the shingles, to be 76 almost, and still continue with an active lifestyle. And it's, without a doubt, one of the big things is the fuel that I take in. I eat a lot of fruit. That's why this channel's Fruit and Sport. Fruit, #1 on planet Earth. It is the highest in vitamin content. It's #2 on planet Earth in mineral content, second only to vegetables. So fruit is the deal. But don't make fruit a snack. Make it the meal. How do you make fruit the meal? Well, for me, it's pretty simple because I eat a lot of bananas, and all the other fruits. Like, for instance, for me to make a 1,000 calorie fruit bowl, I may need 6 or 7 bananas. So what I'll do, I'll chop up 3 or 4, and then I'll blend 3 or 4, and those that are blended are my sauce. But I'll also add to that fruit bowl mango, maybe some strawberries, maybe some grapes, some blueberries, whatever fruit I happen to have. The only one I keep separate pretty much is watermelon. I do the watermelon by itself, and I usually, many times, I juice it. But the average banana, okay, is like, a good sized banana is about 100 calories. So if I have 7 bananas, 700 calories right there. If I add some mango, some strawberries, some blueberries, some grapes, I'm over 1,000 calories. And that's a meal. You don't need anything else. So that's what my suggestion is. Try that. You're going to love it. You are going to love it. Try and do that for breakfast. Well, maybe you don't need that much. Actually, hold on. Do that for lunch. That would be good for lunch. For breakfast, you want to go for more of the juicy fruits, like the watermelons, the orange juice, the grapefruit juice, all the juices. And, you know, you can do whatever you want for breakfast. You could do 600, 700, 800 calories of juices. And then lunch, if you got over 1,000, you know, you're doing well. And then before dinner, have a little more fruit, so you're not craving sweetness after dinner. And that's the way to go. Please post any questions or comments below, and I look forward to helping you. So drop me a question, give me a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you. All the best. Take care.